Your world is not safe anymore. Your loved ones are at a constant threat from harmful electromagnetic radiation, and their future looks very dark. While you work or get entertained, you're always surrounded by electromog looming over you, causing you and your loved ones deadly ailments and illnesses. It's time you take a stock of your surroundings. Presenting Modi Care EnviroChip, the ultimate protection 24/7 for all your electronic gadgets. Presenting Modi Care EnviroGlobe, a unique solution that neutralizes the harmful effects of radiation in your surroundings. The EnviroGlobe covers an area of up to 300 square feet. Charge once a week for 15 minutes under sunlight or a concentrated artificial source of light, keeping the EnviroGlobe within a distance of 2 feet. Keep the EnviroGlobe with you wherever you go for protection on the go. Order your EnviroChip and EnviroGlobe today.